What's the meaning of clean-shaven? Clean-shaven. Clean-shaven.
Clean-shaven. Clean-shaven. Clean-shaven means having a smooth and hairless face, typically achieved by shaving off all facial hair. This results in a clean and polished appearance, with no visible stubble or whiskers. It is often associated with professionalism and formality, and is commonly seen in dress codes for certain occupations such as business and military. A clean-shaven face can also be a personal preference for some individuals who enjoy the sleek and well-groomed look it provides.